Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can make text italic in Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor, and now you just want to add your heading text here. Just click whatever text you got, then just click to style, and you're gonna see here the typography. So click on it, and then you're gonna see the style here. So it's going to be on default, and you just want to add it to italic, and this is how you do it. So italic, and voila. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. If this video was helpful, you can support me, subscribe. I will be pretty thankful for it. And have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.